In this video, we are going to see how you can do LinkedIn scraping with Claude Code using LinkFinder AI MCP. First, click on the first link in the video description to be redirected to LinkFinder AI. Switch to the linkfinderai.com tab to continue. Click Start Free Trial to create a free account on LinkFinder AI. Once you've created a free account on LinkFinder AI, go to the API and MCP section to find your MCP URL. Click here to access the MCP URL details. Click Profile to access your profile. Click Settings to open the Settings menu. Click Connectors to manage your connectors. Click Add to add a new connector. Click Add a custom connector to add a custom connector. Click Name to enter the connector name. Fill LinkFinder AI as the connector name. Click URL to enter the MCP server URL. Fill the MCP server URL from LinkFinder AI. Click Add to add the connector. This will add LinkFinder AI MCP to your Claude Code. Click here to send a query to Claude Code for LinkedIn scraping. Fill Scrape Bill Gates LinkedIn profile with LinkFinder AI MixP to start scraping. We can see that Claude Code retrieved all LinkedIn data about Bill Gates using LinkFinder AI. Fill here to enter another query. Now we are going to ask Claude Code to scrape Microsoft LinkedIn page. Here we can see full LinkedIn company data about Microsoft. Click here to continue with another query. We are going to ask Claude Code to find Bill Gates' email address now. We can see that it found the LinkedIn email address for Bill Gates. Click here to continue with another query. Find 10 employee that are C-suite from the company Tesla to search for C-suite employees at Tesla. We can see that Claude Code retrieved 10 employees from the LinkedIn company page of Tesla.